My light is broken! For the very first time, if you're gonna spend this much money on an RC helicopter, you would also worry, what if you crash it? And how much you will break. Blackhawk down! Let's see if it will still fly or not. This is just amazing, and its durability, man, it's impressive. 2 crashes and it's still flying. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, greetings, Ali Shamal here. Second flight of Blackhawk UH-60. You're gonna enjoy it because there's one more. Check this out. The pilot of the second Blackhawk is ready, and we are gonna fly to information. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Blackhawk formation. Oh. 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 Drifting. 漂移. Oh. Oh, 我的灯坏了. My light is broken. Wheel is broken. Mayday, mayday, mayday.
加入不了了，加入不了了，危险，危险，危险！
Let me fix it. Rescue. Oh man. Okay. Oh, that battery clamp is broken, so the light is hanging down here. Okay, not an issue, I can fix that. But what is wrong with this wheel? Oh, the wheel is just, the plastic came off. Rest is fine. Oh! Blackhawk down. That was a bad crash. Pilot error. I lost orientation because it went above my head and the sun was in my eyes. The wheel is broken. I can fix it by some glue and stuff. Now, they say these blades are not an issue. They won't break. I have a little bit of body cosmetics broken down here, which is of course fixable, not an issue. Let's see if it will still fly or not. There you go. The Blackhawk is still flying. So we gotta give it to it that it's durable. I mean, that was a bad crash. It first hit the ground and then went in the grass. But this is still flying. So, you got a Blackhawk which is durable as well. And from this crash we also learned that the landing gear is the most fragile one that's gonna break for the first time, and that's what I said when I was unboxing it. You will see in my previous video that the landing gear is the first thing that's gonna break. Fuselage breaks as well, but not too much. There you go. Still doing 3D. I mean, with the Blackhawk, you shouldn't do this thing. Oh! And a bad hit on the ground. Well, not the problem. I can still take off. The landing gear is completely going away though. Let's see. Yes, we are still flying. Man, this is amazing. Even the blade tracking is not disturbed. This is just amazing, and its durability, man, it's impressive. 2 crashes and it's still flying. It actually shouldn't go down that way. How much battery I have? I have 3 bits of battery, but during 3D it just went down that way like no power at all. But now you can see I have plenty of power to fly. Why is that? I don't understand, man. So maybe Eachine, you have to talk to the engineer and make sure that they update the battery and the voltage calculation algorithms in this board or flight controller, so that it will calculate the batteries properly, you know, battery levels, and will not let the helicopter fall out that way like it did just now. Because in normal mode, you see, it is just flying superb. All right. So people, now you know it's a durable helicopter when it comes to blades, main rotor head, fuselage, but pretty weak when it comes to landing gear. So the landing gear is the first thing you're gonna break. 2 bits of battery left, so I'm just gonna land now. And I'm gonna drop it like a turd. After the flight damage report, landing gear is broken, as you can see. And where is it? I put it in my pants. Come on, man, don't lose it. There it is. So I'm gonna fix this one, and the screw, definitely the screw I've lost, because that screw's completely broken. And I have broken door right here inside. This I gotta fix. Apart from that, I have just this wheel came out, which is easy fix because it's glued. So there's no problem here, and no damage at all apart from this. And you know, the blades are dirty, rest is all good. It's still flying, it's still doing 3D. Man, that's some durability. Just like you know, for the very first time, if you're gonna spend this much money on an RC helicopter, you would also worry, what if you crash it and how much you will break? Well, luckily I just crashed, and that was a pilot error, I admit. And you can see how much damage I got. First it hit the ground, then it went to the grass, and then I had a second crash that the decided to go down suddenly by itself. But still, except the landing gear and a little bit cosmetics damage on the fuselage, rest is all good. So it's pretty durable, man. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos of Blackhawk and more helicopters coming on my channel. And now I think I'll fly Flywing FW200 and M2 and have some fun with 3. You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.